In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an underline animation in Microsoft PowerPoint. Launch the PowerPoint app and open a blank presentation. Delete the existing text boxes. Now we need a text of our own. You can add it from here, or you can go to Insert. In the menu bar, click on Text Box and place it. Now type your text. Select the text and change its font to something bold. In my case, I will use the Arial black font. Now increase the text size. Let's increase it to 200. Place the text in the slide. In the title bar, click on Shape Format. In the menu bar, click on Align. In the drop-down menu, click on Align Center. Click on Align again. This time, click on Align Middle. Now there are two ways to create an underline animation. One is using animations and the other one is using a shape. Let's see the animation one first. In the title bar, click on Animation. In the menu bar, click on More Animation. In the emphasis section, select the underline animation. In the menu bar, click on Animation pane. Change the duration to 1 second. As you can see, we have added an underline animation, but it is too fast and laggy. Now let's see the shape method. Select a line and place it below your text. Right-click on the line shape. In the pop-up, click on Format Shape. In the Format menu, change the width to 20. Change the shape color according to your text. In my case, it will be black. In the title bar, click on Animations. In the menu bar, select the Wipe animation. In the menu bar, click on Effect Options. In the drop-down, select from left. Here you can see that we have created an underline animation successfully. In my judgment, I would suggest you use the second method.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.